If you want to find apps you've deleted in the past from your phone or your iPad or any device that shares your Apple account, this is how you do it. Go into the App Store. It's right here on my home screen. If you can't find it, just tap on search down here, start typing App Store, and it'll show up. Tap on it to open it. You have to be signed in. I can see my little icon up there, my emoji, so I know I'm signed in. I tap on that. There I am. Tap on Apps. Tap on My Apps. Here we see all the apps currently on my phone and my other devices for that matter. If I tap on Not on this phone, here is a list of all the apps that I have once had installed and are now deleted. And there's a lot. When my kids were younger, they used my phone to play games on, and wow, did they go through a lot of games. We're only that far down scrolling. This is crazy. And if you have family sharing enabled, you can see the same information for members of your family. If you've noticed lately that your battery on your phone is dying quicker than you'd like or quicker than usual, check out this video which shows you 6 or 7, maybe 8 different settings that you can turn on or off to help your battery last longer. So check out that video. If you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.